am playing Squid Games. And chill, I didn't quit Blox Fruit. I am so noob at this game, so today I have to take one win and became pro. What the hell is going on here? Is this an emote? I want that. How can I get this emote? I have emote too, but this one is trash. I want emote like that. Let me check if I can buy anything. Never mind, I am so broke. Game just started, and first game will be red light and green light. I am kinda scared, because if I didn't win by the end of this video, I will give away my account to one of you. So make sure to watch full video. Don't miss anything. Game is about to start. I am not losing this. What the hell was that? I didn't even move. That guy pushed me. There is no way I am so slow now. Am I about to lose my first game? I didn't trust that bacon guy. A lot of players are dying. We are so close. What will be the next game? I am guessing it will be Glass Bridge. I don't want Mona Lisa. Please, game. There is no way am I the main character.
When the night was closing in, I was alone and so afraid. Couldn't see the light, no. Then my world began to spin. Where's the beginning and where's my omega? Had to make it right. Oh yeah, there's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They be piling up inside.
I almost died. So we have to kill each other? I just have to survive in this game. Don't choose hide and seek. Yes, now we will play tug of war.
But there were no walls to barricade. There's no need to fight. No, I was gliding deep within, but there was a race I had to win. Now that I found the light, oh yeah, there's a moment when you know that every teardrop has to go. They be piling up inside. Drop it,
What the hell out of player are dying? No way! Only that bacon guy is here. Everyone die! Only 2 of us left. But we are only 2 at... Bacon? You are dead!
I've been dead in water for some time, picking up the parts of my life. Didn't get to solve it this time. How am I to break apart? Don't tell me why we can't collide. Nowhere to run, nowhere to hide. Don't you feel it? On the break of dawn, follow you to carry on. On the break of dawn, follow you to carry
I won my first game easy. Thanks for watching, and make sure to join my Discord.